Want to start playing the Minecraft mobile game, but not sure how? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to download and install Minecraft. Note that this video will demonstrate on iPhone, but written instructions for both Android and iOS will be listed in the description box. Now let's get started. To download Minecraft, first open the App Store. Go to the Search tab. Then type in Minecraft at the top. Tap Minecraft when it appears in the search results. Then tap the Price button. The price you see may vary depending on what country you're in, but the app is currently $9.99 Canadian. Since this is a paid game, complete your purchase using Apple Pay. If prompted, use Face ID or enter your password to confirm that you want to purchase the app. Wait for the installation to complete. Then tap Open to start playing Minecraft. That's all it takes to download Minecraft. Want to try out other mobile games? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.